Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out if we can still turn the tide on climate change and make a real difference for our planet. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the problem. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events are just a few of the alarming consequences of climate change. But despite the doom and gloom, it's crucial that we have an open and honest conversation about the state of our planet and what we can do to save it. One of the main challenges we face is the rapid pace of global warming. The past few decades have seen a significant increase in global temperatures, and the consequences are already being felt. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, wildfires, and droughts are becoming more frequent and more intense. This not only puts human lives at risk, but also has a devastating impact on ecosystems. We're seeing coral bleaching, deforestation, and the loss of biodiversity on a massive scale. The Arctic is warming at a rate twice as fast as the global average, and the ice caps are melting at an alarming rate. All these changes have a ripple effect, impacting not just the environment, but also human health, economies, and societies. The root causes of climate change are complex and multifaceted. Greenhouse gas emissions from burning fossil fuels and deforestation are major contributors. Industrial pollution, agriculture, and transportation also play a significant role. The consequences are staggering. More frequent natural disasters, sea level rise, and unpredictable weather patterns. Climate change is also having a disproportionate impact on vulnerable communities, exacerbating existing social and economic inequalities. The health impacts are just as concerning, with air pollution alone responsible for millions of premature deaths worldwide. Furthermore, the economic costs of climate change are staggering, from damage to infrastructure to impacts on agriculture and tourism. Despite these challenges, there's reason to be hopeful. Recent breakthroughs in climate science and technology offer promising solutions. Advances in renewable energy, carbon capture, and sustainable land use are gaining traction. For example, solar and wind power are becoming increasingly cost-competitive with fossil fuels. Electric vehicles are hitting the roads in record numbers, and sustainable agriculture is on the rise. These innovations have the potential to significantly reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. Scientists are also exploring new technologies, such as geoengineering and climate-resilient infrastructure, to help us adapt to the changing climate. In conclusion, the climate crisis is real, and it's urgent. But by acknowledging the challenges and exploring innovative solutions, we can still make a difference. It's time to come together and take action. Our planet depends on it. So, what do you think? Can we still save the planet from climate change? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about environmental actions you can take, check out my video on simple ways to live more sustainably. Remember, this is the only planet we have. One planet, one humanity.